So we'll start once again with the sum. Here it is. Yeah, very sorry for the interruption in between. So children, I would just explain it once again very quickly since I missed to start the recording part. In the given figure, AD is perpendicular to BC. So children, this angle is supposed to be 90. AE is the bisector of CAB. Now bisector we all know is dividing an angle into two equal parts, right? So AE BAC को divide करता है, and I've written that these two angles are congruent. And then what we did was we have shifted this 2 on the other side. So this is the 2 proof as of now. This is the hint which we need to prove, right? यहाँ तक हम लोग पहुंचे. Now we move ahead. What I was trying to do ahead, children, is ये जो angle DAE है, right? DAE. It belongs to two bigger angles. I'll show both the bigger angles at once, but मेरे ख्याल से वो confusion हो जाएगा. पहला वाला bigger angle है BAE और दूसरा वाला bigger angle है DAC. As of now, we just focus on BAE. Don't worry. नहीं समझाए तो भी टेंशन मत लो, but BAE पे फोकस करो. Children, angle BAE को can we write it as angle BAD plus angle DAE? Isn't it? It is nothing but angle addition property. अब ये क्यों लिखा? Because I wanted angle DAE. अब angle DAE, what I want is to be alone. ठीक है? तो क्योंकि angle DAE alone होना चाहिए, I have to shift BAD on the left hand side. So when BAD comes on the left hand side, children, BAD का जो sign है, जो कि positive है, will change and will become negative. So the equation will become angle DAE is equals to BAE minus BAD. I hope everybody has understood this, right? So DAE लाने के लिए I've considered one bigger angle which is BAE. Once again DAE लाने के लिए मैं एक और बड़ा angle consider करूंगा which is supposed to be DAC, right? Which I've highlighted as well on the screen. जो बच्चों को नहीं समझ रहा, you can just look at the figure, you'll understand. Now, just looking at the figure, DAC, can I write it as angle DAE plus angle EAC or CAE, whatever you write it as? ये दोनों छोटे छोटे एंगल को ऐड करके बड़ा वाला एंगल बनता है, isn't it? So I apply angle addition property once again, children. Now, once again, I want to keep DAE alone. So I would be shifting CAE on the other side. So that becomes CAD minus DAE. I hope that is clear. Sorry, minus CAE because I've kept DAE alone. I will be shifting CAE. My mistake, children. I hope that is clear, children. In order to keep DAE alone, we'll be shifting CAE on the left hand side. So that becomes CAD minus CAE is equals to DAE. Right? Now look at equation 2 and equation 3. Equation 2 and equation 3. दोनों का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड्स इक्वल है, राइट? तो अगर आप वो लॉजिक लगाओगे कि राइट हैंड साइड्स भी इक्वल है, यू वोंट बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट. कुछ फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. बिकॉज इफ यू लुक एट द रिक्वायर्ड पार्ट, इट सेज वी नीड 2 times DAE. So in order to get 2 times DAE, we have to add DAE and DAE. Matlab we have to add equation 2 and equation 3. We don't have to compute them. We have to add them. I hope that is clear. Yeah. So we add equation 2 and 3. तो जब add होते हैं equations, left hand side is added up with left hand side. The entire right hand side is added up with the right hand side. So that becomes DAE plus DAE is equals to angle BAE minus angle BAD plus angle CAD minus angle CAE. I hope this much is clear. Now children, on the left hand side, what we have is what we needed. DAE plus DAE, we can write it as 2 times DAE. लेकिन right hand side में I don't see anything which I need. I've just copied everything as it is. Before I copy, children, here, can I write this angle CAE as BAE? Remember, AE bisects BAC. ये दोनों angle equal है. This angle and this angle, they are equal. So instead of CAE, I'll be writing BAE. Now why so? Because वैसा करने से BAE will get cancelled. एक का sign positive है, एक का sign negative है, right? अब जो left over है, जो बचा है, that will copy in the next on the next line, right? So 2 times angle DAE is equals everybody, isn't it? Children, I want you all to copy this much and then I'll be moving ahead. The figure is there in the textbook, don't worry. Just write down problem set question 8, copy the proof which is right in front of you. Now, for those who have not understood, just try and understand from this particular slide itself. Give it an attempt to understand. Anyways, once we finish the sum, I would be reading the chat box and I will be clearing the doubts, right? So as of now, just copy this entire proof. The sum is not yet completed, though I want you all to copy this particular slide. The figure is there in the textbook, no need to copy it. I hope the lecture is going on smoothly as in people are able to see my screen. So just to check whether you people were able to hear me and you people are copying things or not, I'll just check the chat box. Won't even take a minute. Just to confirm. Sir, what will we do after this sum? We will stop. What was that question? Once the sum is done, we would stop the lecture. That's it. Yes, children, I believe most of you have finished copying the sum. I just saw the chat box. There were many students saying done, sir, done, sir. Right? Now, for those who have not finished yet, I would suggest take a screenshot of this slide because I'll be moving ahead now. Hope everybody has taken a screenshot. Yeah, I marked that as equation 4, so request you all to do it as well. Yeah. Now, children, our aim is very simple. To reach from here, from equation 4 to what we need, which is this. The left-hand sides are already equal, they match. The right-hand sides, they do not match. Now, what we have to do is angle CAD ke badle, instead of angle CAD, right? What we want is either angle C or angle B. So let us first talk about angle CAD. When I locate angle CAD in the figure, what I can see is this particular angle CAD. Now this angle belongs to a beautiful triangle named as CAD. अब ये triangle में children अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, we have angle C which we need, right? तो एंगल ए अपने पास ऑलरेडी है लेकिन हमको नहीं चाहिए, उसके बदले इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट व्हाट वी वांट इज एंगल सी, and this angle children is nothing but 90 degree. So children, what I would be doing is I would be applying angle sum property of a triangle in this beautiful triangle named as ADC or DAC, however you call it. So let us apply angle sum property, that is addition of all the three angles is 180. Angle CAD plus angle ADC plus angle C, or you can call it as ACD, right? बाद में मैं इसको C ही नाम देने वाला हूँ. Now children, CAD we need it as it is, so उसको ऐसे ही रखा है. But ADC, this angle is nothing but 90 degree. So instead of ADC, I would write 90 degree plus ACD के बदले we can always write C, right? Because angle ACD is as good as angle C is equals to 180. Now I need to eliminate CAD and instead I need to get C. तो CAD को eliminate करने के लिए उसका वैल्यू ढूंढना पड़ेगा और वैल्यू ढूंढने के लिए CAD has to be alone. So we shift 90 and angle C on the other side. तो प्लस 90 उधर जाएगा तो माइनस 90 हो जाएगा and plus C plus angle C goes on the other side will become minus angle C. Children, what is 180 minus 90? Definitely 180 minus 90 is 90. So I've written the final answer 90. Do not get confused. ये 90 उधर जाता है तो पहले नेगेटिव होता है. 180 minus 90, the answer I have written as 90. I mark that as equation 5. तो CAD के बदले में C आ जाएगा when we substitute it in 4. But BAD अभी भी नहीं चाहिए. We don't need BAD. Instead we need B. So we talk about those two angles. I would locate BAD in the figure. Children, BAD is right here, right? Angle BAD and angle B. Together they belong to which beautiful triangle? The name of the triangle is BAD. So again applying angle sum property. तीनों एंगल को ऐड करके 180. उसमें से एक एंगल फिर से 90 है, which is that 90 वाला एंगल ADB, मतलब एंगल D. So इसके बदले 90 आ जाएगा. BAD प्लस 90 प्लस ABD. अच्छा, ABD के बदले इंस्टेड ऑफ ABD can I write angle B because I need angle B, right? It's the same thing, is equals to 180. Now in order to eliminate BAD, इसको हटाने के लिए इसका वैल्यू ढूंढना जरूरी है, एंड वैल्यू ढूंढने के लिए I need to keep BAD alone. So shifting 90 and B on the other side, 180 minus 90, again the answer has to be 90 minus angle B. I hope everybody has understood this. I want you all to copy this particular slide. The first line you people have already written it. Start copying from here. Then you have to substitute equation 5 and equation 6 in equation 4. एक बार कॉपी करके हो जाएगा तो इक्वेशन 5 और 6 को 4 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, यू विल गेट द आंसर, राइट? सो यू कैन जस्ट कॉपी दिस. जिनको नहीं समझा आगे का, डोंट वरी, विल डिस्कस. कॉपी दिस पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड. Yeah, I believe most of the kids must have finished copying this. Those who have not finished, request them to take a screenshot. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ सी ए डी हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे 90 माइनस सी, मतलब इधर आ जाएगा 90 माइनस सी. So I'll just copy that 90 minus C. Aja, now this minus sign right here, I've just written it here as well. Instead of BAD, हम लोग ये ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे 90 माइनस एंगल बी, राइट. यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट के बाहर पॉजिटिव साइन है, कुछ नहीं है, मतलब we can open it directly. But here, since there is a negative sign outside the bracket, minus into plus will become minus 90. And minus into minus will definitely become plus angle B. So plus 90 and minus 90 children will get cancelled. And क्योंकि एंगल बी पॉजिटिव है वो पहले लिख रहे हैं और एंगल सी नेगेटिव है वो बाद में लिखेंगे. लुक एट व्हाट वी नीडेड. इज दिस व्हाट वी नीडेड? यस. अभी खाली 2 को राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट करना है and we have what was needed. I hope that is clear children. Just copy this. ये पहला 3 लाइन आप ऑलरेडी कॉपी कर चुके हो. You may start copying from here, this part. I would give you 1 minute for this, and then we will just have a small doubt solving session, if any, in this particular sum, because we are done with the chapter. I won't be starting the new chapter today. In case you have any other queries related to the chapter, we will discuss that, right? Because we have a lot of time left. Yeah, assuming most of the kids must have finished by now. Requesting those who have not finished to take a screenshot. So don't worry, we have plenty of time left. You can just copy that later on. Just take a screenshot in that case. Right? Uh, right. So that's it. We are done with the chapter, children. I'll just stop the screen share, and have a look at the chat. Yes, children, I'm currently looking at the chat box. So if there are any questions, you can just ask me. Yeah, Samuel, right. Yashika has no doubt. Ishan, yeah, I would do that, Ishan. Don't worry. You don't have to look into my personal space, children. The apps which I have in my phone, right? Daniel, if you have any doubts, just ask me on the chat box. Then I would basically, kind of unmute you. But yeah, sir, in the test, can we use any method? Which test, Razin? Didn't got your point, Jai. Harshit, correct. We will be discussing doubts, if any. Yes, Razin, you can use any method. The only condition is it should be correct. Yeah, Razin, I understood. Vaishnavi from Ghatkopar says we have chapter 7. Chapter number 7 is which one? I believe it is construction or what? Yeah, seminar might be the next topic would be trigonometry, let's say. Sir, in school they have completed this chapter and they have directly jumped to chapter number 8 and also have completed. Okay, chapter 8 is trigonometry, I remember. Chapter 7 is coordinate, right? Both are very easy chapters. Don't worry. Then next time what we would be doing is we would start with trigonometry. Trigonometry is not at all difficult, Kaushik. It is very simple. Wow, Devidayal says he has got 18. I hope everybody has understood that last sum. Prithika has written IG. We have not done problem set 3. What is IG, Prithika? Okay, problem set 3.5, I guess. Practice set 3.5. There is no practice set. Don't worry, I've done all the sums, Pratika. In case you find any sum, just let me know. Hey, trigonometry is not at all difficult, Ayan. It is very simple. Okay, IG is I guess. Thank you, Drusti. Ayushi, I believe there is lot of time left. So if you want, I can start with basics of trigonometry then. But better we start next time, is what I feel. Oh, the recording is on. I'll just stop that. Thank you, Ishan.